Hi, good morning everybody. Today for lunch let us make one pot meal since it is a Sunday, so rest for us also. Not to make too many things. It is a meal which is within itself a healthy filling meal. Let us make dal dhokli. For dal dhokli soak 1 katori of tuar ki dal, and along with that I have added 1 tablespoon of chane ki dal to give it more taste. Then you require whole wheat flour, out of which we will roll out chapatis and cut them into small pieces to add to the dal. So let us begin with the procedure. First of all, 1 katori dal I have soaked with 1 tablespoon of chane ki dal, tuar and chana dal in water after washing it thoroughly for 1 hour. After that I will put it in the cooker. I've added the dal to the cooker. Along with since it was 1 katori and 1 tablespoon, I've added 3 katoris of water and I've put it to steam. We will give it 3 to 4 whistles. After 2 whistles, reduce the flame and let it give 3 more whistles on low flame. Now the ingredients that I require are, I will need 2 to 3 tomatoes to give it nice color and taste, 1 onion, then I need 1 small piece of ginger, 3 to 4 flakes of garlic, a few green or red chilies, and I am going to use curry since it is available in the market fresh to give it that khatta taste. And the salt and haldi, red chili powder as per requirement, dhania powder, jeera powder. And for the bagar I will need rai, that is mustard seed, and I will need jeera, that is shahi jeera, and ghee, 1 tablespoon of ghee. Now the dal is nicely done, so let us give it tadka. Now for the tadka, let us grind to paste the tomatoes, ginger, garlic, red chilies and the onion, because it will become easier to roast them in ghee. You can add whole chopped fine, as it is, it's up to you. And now take 1 tablespoon of ghee and add this masala to it and roast it nicely. Added 1 tablespoon of ghee. Basically I use cow's ghee. Now to this I will add half a teaspoon of jeera, and then I will add the masala to roast. While the masala is getting roasted, let us say the dal. Mix the dal properly and now added a glass of water to it to make it a little more thin. Now I will add half a teaspoon of haldi, half a teaspoon of salt or as per taste, dhania powder and jeera powder, and mix it up and keep it aside until the masala gets done. So this masala is going to be roasted on slow flame. In the meantime, let us make atta for dhoklis. Now for dhoklis, take 1 katori, a small katori of atta, whole wheat flour, and 1 tablespoon of besan, that is chane ka atta. Mix it up thoroughly. Now add salt, ajwain and little bit of hing to this. I have added little bit of salt, not too much because there is salt in dal also. Little bit of haldi to give it color and a pinch of hing and little bit of ajwain. Just crush it in the palm of your hand and add that. I am going to add ajwain leaves, the fresh ones. Add 1 tablespoon of ghee or oil, and I have got ajwain leaves growing in my garden, so I'll just pluck a few, mash them, crush them into small bits and add that to the flour. Slowly keep adding water and make a soft dough like you make for rotis. Water adds little by little so that it doesn't become very soft. See, these are the ajwain leaves I have added. I forgot to show. So make a soft dough and then cover it for half an hour. Cover this with a wet cloth for half an hour. See, the masala has started leaving out oil. Ghee, sorry. Roast it for another 2 to 3 minutes. This is the ajwain plant. The leaves are used to garnish, to make chutney also, and very good, very tasty bhajiyas you can make of this. I usually add this instead of ajwain seeds. It gives more aroma and taste. After half an hour the dough has rolled out, has become nice and soft. Now let us roll out a roti which will be 1 centimeter thick. Rolled out a roti which is 1 centimeter thick. Now let us cut it into squares or triangles. Cut it lengthwise. Now I will cut it horizontal, slanting like this. Cut it. Now take filtered water in a big patila, fill it half and keep it on gas to become hot. Let the water come to a boil, then we will add those wheat flour pieces to this and keep it on for at least 15 minutes for the atta to get done completely. I put the flame on medium and added the atta ke pieces to this, the triangles or rectangles or diamond shapes, whatever shape you make. Now let this be on for at least 15 minutes until the wheat flour gets done properly. Meantime, add the dal to the masala and let it cook on medium flame until it comes to a boil. It should be thin, so I have added 1 glass of water also. This dal ढोकली should be थोड़ी सी खट्टी, थोड़ी सी मीठी, तभी ये टेस्ट बनता है. It is basically a Gujarati Marwadi recipe. So nowadays mango is available, raw mango. So I will add 1 tablespoon of mango pulp to give it a nice natural khatiyai. This raw mango pulp, I am adding 1 tablespoon of this to the dal. If you feel that the khatiyai is not enough, you can add 1 more tablespoon. Because nowadays it has started to rain, the rawness has finished off completely, the mangoes have started to ripen up. They have become little yellowish now. It's come to a boil, so let us add some organic gur, 1 tablespoon, to give it that khatta meetha taste. This organic gur I am adding 1 tablespoon to the dal. Just 15 minutes, dhoklis are done, I think. Yeah, they are done nicely. Still let us keep it for another 3 to 4 minutes and then I will strain it and add it to the dal. I have strained the dhoklis. Now I will add this to the dal and then keep it on slow flame at least for another 10 minutes. Adding the dhoklis to the dal. Many people directly put the dhoklis inside the dal and let them get done. Some people make it like a roti on gas and then cut it into pieces and add it to the dal. I like to boil my dhoklis, first steam them and then I like to add it to my dal. It's boiling nicely. I think it is done now. बस ये है कि जो ढोकलीज है वो कच्ची नहीं होनी चाहिए. That is why I am taking longer to keep it on flame. Dal dhokli is done, so I have put off the gas and removed it from the gas. Now let me give it one tadka. I have taken 1 teaspoon of ghee and I have added a sabut lal mirchi, curry patta leaves, broken them into smaller pieces and jeera. Roast them for 1 to 2 minutes and then add it to the dal. Tadka is ready, so now the chilies are also roasted, so let us add it to the dal. A very yummy, खट्टी मीठी, बहुत ही स्वादिष्ट दाल ढोकली is ready. Thank you so much for watching my video. Do like, share, comment. Let me know how it is. Do make this recipe and tell me how you found it. You can eat it with puri, that will taste best. Jawar ki bhakri or jawar bajra and besan ki roti. It is a very yummy dish. It is a one pot meal actually. You don't need to eat any roti chapati. You can eat it as soup as it is in a big bowl. Thank you so much. Have a good day. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel and enjoy Sunday holiday. Amita Bagai from Amita's Amazing Kitchen. Thank you so much. Please subscribe to my video.